about this, Karan? You have no clue.
I've been warned.
You've been warned. Good.
But
would
I
like to
just
hope-
want to, I already want to kind of say that I accept defeat from Meera.
We want to watch you get defeated.
That's fine.
Okay? So this is how it works. There are going to be 3 rounds. It's a best of 3. Whoever wins 2 out of the 3 rounds gets the grand prize. We're going to take you where you take other people, right? Karan?
Whatever that means.
Whatever
Madhya.
that means. And it's going to start with a blind test.
Oh, God.
So you're going to be blindfolded and 4 baby foods are going to go into your mouth. And you have to guess what they are. So it's a blind test, and then Meera, it's going to be your
I'm
turn. We'll start
terrible
with
at
Karan.
this, I want to tell you.
Let's just
I've
see.
never been
Let's
a-
just see.
I might
Okay, I'm
surprise
going to
myself.
blindfold
Karan, you can't say
while
that
the
you've
food
never
comes
been
up.
blindfolded.
Okay, I don't know if I signed up for this, but what the hell. Okay. Oh, I can keep my mic.
It's too big. No, you won't be able to breathe.
No, I'm fine.
It's fine. You're okay?
Yeah. Isn't Meera getting blindfolded as well?
Yeah, but hers is the second round, right?
This seems like 50 Shades of Grey to me. I don't know. I thought it was a children's book. What's happening here?
Karan, it's only me.
I know, but still, I can fantasize, Mandira.
Okay. Okay.
Is something going into my mouth now?
Yes, in a
Okay.
minute.
Maybe.
Yeah?
Easy.
Can I have one more of it?
Sure. I made it well?
Yeah. I know this.
Come on.
It's
you
a
can do
fruit.
this. Yes.
Oh. It's a fruit. Why don't I know this? I'm going blank. I know it's a fruit. You want to tell me it's apple? Okay. Banana.
Well, you're not. Okay, fine. That was right, but you're not supposed to help. You can't say A for
I
apple.
thought it was you mixed the two together.
All right. You get one right. Somebody's keeping score, I hope.
Apple and banana.
It's apple banana mash.
Okay. No one told you I'm allergic to banana, right? I break into hives. But that's fine.
It's a lie. Yummy.
Ugh. No. What is this? This I don't know because I don't like.
Okay, he doesn't like it. He doesn't know. So
What is this? What is it?
it was mashed sweet potato. Very good for you.
No.
Moving
yeah.
on to number 3.
Ah.
Now you gotta like this.
You're going to like this one.
This is yogurt, is it? No. What is it?
Okay.
Oh, this is little santra it had in it.
No, sorry, you
No,
got this
shit.
wrong as well.
What is it?
That was avocado.
This is avocado.
Yes. And here we are with the last
Can
one.
I judge the cooking?
It's just mashed avocado.
Okay, now.
This is the last one. Number 4.
It's like porridge or something. What is it?
Oh, sorry. You got that right.
Is it right?
So you got 2 wrong, 2 right. You can take the blindfold
Meera just
off.
get 2 wrong, yeah. I don't like to lose.
You can take the blindfold.
Can I?
Yes, yes. Meera, your turn. Would you want me to?
Oh, yeah.
She'll get all 4 right. I know it.
What's the bribe, Karan, for me to get the 2 wrong?
Oh. I already gave you the hamper, Meera. What more can I offer you?
All right. Number 1. Open your mouth.
It tastes really good, but...
It's not easy.
Can I give you another bite?
No, you can't give a hint.
Yeah, I can have another bite.
Another bite.
Even I don't know what it is.
Come
Give me
on.
this bite.
Ah.
It's yum. I just can't figure out
Sorry,
what it is.
that's
I
not
don't
the
know.
correct
I don't know what
answer,
it is.
though.
Can you put
It's
that in my
delicious,
mouth?
Pooja. Give me 1
I
point.
don't know what it is.
Okay, you don't know what it is. It's, is it like, it's a fruit.
Oh, I think, is it, can I say?
No,
let her
it's
guess.
my turn.
She gets it wrong, you get a go.
It's like Papaya,
No, wrong.
melon. What is
Okay.
it?
Is it like apricot? What
Everybody
is it?
got it wrong. It's kiwi. It's kiwi mango mash.
Okay, listen. Kiwi and mango. Who's gonna guess?
Mango, you can guess.
Yeah, but it's with kiwi.
Oh, it's kiwi and mango?
Yeah.
Nah, hello. Yeah.
Next one. You got it really difficult. You've made it quite hard for these people. Yes.
Listen, Pooja, I think you're giving me the harder ones.
Very good. Suffer now.
Okay, Raz, how about this? It's got two ingredients. You get
Like
one of them right.
veggies.
Yes.
Does it have veggies?
Yes.
And some kind of carb, like oats?
No.
Wrong. Press that red thing. Press, you got it wrong.
I know. You try and guess
Veggies and
what vegetable?
carrot.
Okay, come on.
And
We have to give it to her.
yeah, carrot.
It's carrot and beetroot.
Carrot
is a,
and
is a difficult
beetroot.
taste to actually
Yeah.
decipher when you're blindfolded or otherwise. Okay, third one. Easy peasy.
Apple.
Apple.
Apple cinnamon.
Apple cinnamon. Bang on. Okay, now you're currently at a tie. You've got to get this last one right.
This is a tiebreaker.
This is the
Better
tiebreaker
get it
of
wrong.
round one. Of
Oh.
round one.
Yuck.
See, there's one terrible thing always there is.
It's a porridge.
Yes.
It's got like some nice ghee in it, and it's ragi.
Oh my God, that's a good one. Well
See, I don't know
done.
what this ragi tastes like. Huh? No, I don't want. Thank you. Not at all.
That's amazing. You win round one. Well done, Mia.
Thank you.
I'm trying not to ruin your hair.